Making Filipino Puto cheese. Ingredients include 2 cups offers flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1½ cups of milk, 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of grated cheese, or sliced cheese for the top. Fill a steamer with water and bring it to a boil. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the fresh milk, water, baking powder and salt, melted butter and eggs until well combined. Fill each mold with the batter until it's about 3/4 full. Grease your puto molds with a little bit of oil or butter to prevent sticking. Steam the puto over medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a puto comes out clean. Sprinkle a generous amount of grated cheddar cheese on top of each puto batter-filled mold. Check the puto for doneness. The texture should be soft, spongy, and fully cooked. Once cooked, remove the puto molds from the steamer and allow them to cool for a few minutes. Gently remove the puto from the molds using a small spatula or knife. Enjoy your puto cheese. Please like and subscribe.